I'll convince through my writing the community members. I'll try to convince my community members about the values I can add to their lives through my writings. The third benefit is that it will attract audience. Your mission statement on the internet, the power of social media will start working for you. This will start people noticing you, grabbing more attention, personal branding. People will know who you are and what exactly you do. Then they'll know your vision and mission. They'll start following you. They'll know more about you. Do you want to attract like minded people? If yes, then write on about section in the LinkedIn profile. Like minded people who are looking to work with you, when you are basically sharing your mission statement on internet, attract target market people on your own community, like minded souls. I'll build my tribe. I'll grab attention of like minded souls. I'll build my tribe with them. Super. Fourth benefit, it will keep you on track. There are three types of activities basically: unproductive, productive, highly productive. When you mission in life, you will know, you will remove unproductive activities. You will identify the activities which are productive and start doing those activities. Not only that, further you will refine the productive activities to know what activities are producing best results for you. This is the fine tuning of your efforts. Do you agree? Having a mission, career keeps you on right track? If yes, please say, I agree, I want to be on track. Now the fifth benefit is automatic traffic generation. Since you have a mission statement and you want to share on social media, it will begin generating organic traffic on your profile on social media handles. The reason is the matter written in mission statement is written. No more people pulling your legs, no more people agreeing your ideas. They are cutting off from you, and only people who are basically interested in you will be connected. This is good for you. Company, individual and companies in advertisement expending thousands of rupees, you can save all that money. That is power of sharing mission on social media. The mission will bring in more traffic for you. How they will follow you otherwise? That is the reason why companies spend millions of dollars to show their advertisements multiple times in the time period. And if you have been struggling, I want to grow my traffic organically. I want to grow my traffic organically. I want to hear from all the people. All the people who are speaking right now, they'll be focusing because they are the superpower of affirmations. If you are not speaking on mic right now and just watching the session passively, you will not be actively involved in this. Please turn on your mics. And he is instructing me, I am live, and everything I am speaking what he is speaking. It's very important. I want to grow my traffic organically. Very nice, very nice. Sixth benefit is, all of you, there is some background noise. Right strategy, mission statement on the social media. Some sound is coming. Sound has to be stopped. Some other person, please mute, turn off your mic. Thank you. If writing 30 article in 60 days, 30 article in 30 days, your immediate mission, you will work out the number of hours working in writing. When you know the destination, it is easy for you to choke out the plan. You have to see at certain times, you will schedule your activities accordingly. You will make you focus and committed. Now, guys, tell me one thing. If there is a shift and on the ship, you don't have any crew, you don't have any captain, and you leave it in the sea, where it will go? Tell me one thing. It will go nowhere. It will not reach the destination. It will go to deserted land or island somewhere, or it will not reach to the destination. It will go down. It will sink. 9,999 times out of 10,000, it will not reach the destination. So if you have the crew and the captain, it will reach the right destination. This is the reason the mission statement is going to become the captain of your ship. This will take you to the right destination. Now it will make you focus, having mission and vision, focus on your efforts. You know the end goal. You will know, you will remove the distractions. You will stay on the track. You will also have the commitment level. You will be laser focused. People who don't have focus, they will be wandering aimlessly. You have nothing to die for. You have nothing to live for. Will you know for there is a purpose in your life? It will make you work more focused and targeted. Are you ready to make focus on and write strategy and create a perfect strategy for writing? I want to create a perfect strategy for writing. So guys, if you know how committed I am, the reason I am committed is just because of mission statement. When I am losing focus, I look at the mission statement. My daughter is not well. She's on fever. Son is not well. He's also in cough and cold. My wife is not well. She is also having cough and cold. So I'm also having problem. I'm having cough and cold. All are having viral. But does that stop me in conducting this session? No, I'm conducting this session. You are unique to show up for one thing. You need to do it despite from problems. You need to show up. Once you are super powerful, even God will help you. God will send angels, superpowers will help you. You have to have distinguished mission displayed over here. People keep in mind that is fine. Have it in your heart. When you have it in your heart, then no one can distract. Not even all the negative forces can distract you from the mission if you are so much powerful and thinking about that throughout the thinking about day and night. A lot of broadcast messages I'm sending day and night. I want you to create a community of laser sharp focused people. You should be focused in your efforts. You are not focused. Sometimes you are doing some things, other time you are doing something. You are actually distracted and you will go out of track. Your mindset will not be there. You will not be reaching your goal. So it's very important for you guys. If you have nothing to die for, you have nothing to live for. When you know that there is a purpose in your life, it will make you more focused in your life. Are you ready to form a right strategy for your career? I am ready to create. I am ready to create a right strategy for my careers. Perfect strategy for my writing business. It's very important, guys. So important. The seventh benefit is that it will transform many lives, not only you, it will transform many lives around you. It will impart passion to others. This will result in ripple effects. Ripple effect, do you know it? Ripple effect. One to other, then to some answers are coming in. Ripple. Throw stone in the water, waves will be generated. Some answers are coming. Let me take little water first. During the shadowing technique, reach to every nook and corner of the week. Yes, yes, it will never stop. It will go. This will know. It will have. You will transform many lives. People catch your mission and vision. Great leaders, Martin Luther, Mahatma Gandhi, followed the same pattern. They gave birth to a vision and a mission and imparted to others. And then it became national and a worldwide movement. So, are you clear about your vision and mission in your life? If yes, then speak. I want to influence others with my mission and vision. Others are speaking now. Let me take tea. I want to have many stakeholders and beneficiaries of my legacies. Now I am giving you a bonus tips. Eighth tip is a bonus tip. This actually mission statement will help you leave behind a great legacy. If you follow the mission till the end, you will not only affect the present generations, it will have effect on future generations also. It's not only for you, it is for others also. You will creating a movement step by step. And now, what will be your mission statement? Do you want an example? Let me first of all ask. Let me first of all ask Aju. Aju is going a mission statement example. Let me take tea. Somebody else is talking, so I'm not doing this. This is the logo of Bharat Electronics, where I worked for 23 years. And now Priyanka. He is asking one by one, everyone, what is their mission statement, and if the mission statement is there on the about section of LinkedIn. We are talking of LinkedIn optimization techniques, and he has given the 8 points on which the shadowing techniques is. I am doing the shadowing techniques, and he's doing this section from the. If I can show you, if I can show you the other side in this section, Suvidha. Suvidha is another candidate who is sharing. This is my first attempt on shadowing technique, so there may be some shortcomings, some errors. Maybe I'm not familiar with the process itself. I have just gone through certain videos of people, all fellow colleagues, and then I am making this first video. Taking tea side by side, Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon today. And this is the third session of which I am attending today. And evening we'll be playing tambola in one of the section. This is I think I'll stop here at this point, and I'll continue with the uh, next section, which is imitation, sometime later. This is GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiter doing my first shadowing technique, and I'll expect some views, some comments, and some views on this. I want an example of a perfect statement. Still, some affirmations are being done. I am stopping at this point. Thank you. Bye.